All right, boys, first stop on Pitbike Mondays. We got us Weiss County Honda here, the county's local Honda shop. Let's see how they're doing on pit bikes. Can't believe they got a 50 in here. I wonder if the 110 is used or for sale. Looks like somebody already owns it. Fuel injected too. I'm surprised to see that here. A bunch more up there, dudes. I wonder what these 125 SSRs go for. Same price as the Honda. Semi-auto. Well, I was gonna buy some oil while I was in there because I don't like going in places and not buying shit. But they ignored me. So, and I didn't see any two-stroke oil anyways. I'm gonna get up on out of here and find some other place to shop. We'll go to Freedom and I'll buy some two-stroke oil and a chain over there. So I'm surprised they had a CRF 110 in here, although it did not have a price tag on it. So I think it was already sold, you know what I mean? Or they're fixing it for somebody or something like that. You can see from the label, made in China. If you're wondering why you're having trouble getting Honda pit bikes, it's because they're not sending as many from China anymore due to COVID and a bunch of other reasons. On to the next one. We're going to Freedom, see what's happening. All right, boys, Freedom Power Sports Decatur. Let's see what we get. I like the TTRs a lot, but the 110s are really couldn't really use a 50. Still making PW50s, boys. Man. Guarantee you one thing. This Yamaha ain't made in freaking China. Alright. Damn, and alcohol.
Yep, T2, I got C50, yep, MR12. And then I have, I believe, here I'll tell you.
Cool. Man, I can't. Right here in town, in Decatur, right by your damn house, and they got it. Oh, they want that's even cheaper. That's $10 cheaper than what I paid the other day. We're on up out of here. Got me a chain, got me a new battery, everything I need, I believe, to rip this YFZ this afternoon. What's up, boys? It's Pitbike Monday. We got to make a couple adaptations to the old adapted CRF 110. See, it's Pitbike Monday, and I've been having a problem with some Trespassers. So I got some game cams up. Got some good footage so far. I got some good footage, you know what I mean? I have 3 more chips to go swap. Why not take this, man? I got to make a pit bike video. Booyah. Check it out.
I'm going to grab something.
What is it? It's going to be quiet.
It's going to be quiet.
What you getting?
It's like that.
What's it getting? You're not digging the blue one out, are you?
No.
I'm getting the white 140?
No.
What are you getting?
Red Zinger.
Okay. Hold the choke. You got to kind of pull the choke a little harder.
Yeah, you got to pull it up.
Yeah, you got to hold it. So, dudes, basically, I got the CRF 110, you know what I mean? I was going ham, bent the frame. So I had an old ATC 70. Cut me some frame out there, reinforced some of it, made me some mounts. Hung me a CRF 110 engine in there. Semi-auto, handbrake, electric start. Threw me some cheap bark busters on there, but like I said, I've been having a trouble with Trespassers. I'm gonna have to mount the rifle rack right here, boys. That's how it's gonna have to go. Also, check this out. I knew we had some deer out here, but I haven't hunted for them yet. And while I was out twapping quackheads, while I was out trapping, assumably meth heads. I put some up and got me some really good news. Got me some nice trespassers here too. So I don't mind them, except for once a year. So you got the old CRF 110, 26 millimeter carb, I think. No? Right. Yeah, we do have the 26 mil on this one. Open filter, Amazon muffler, Spangler grab bar. I bent it. And no suspension. Got some CRF 450 pegs. A little bling kit for it, you know what I mean? Semi-auto. Like I said, this is my brake. Try the blue one. You got it on start or on run? Start.
It needs gas.
Oh, it's running. Yeah. Shit, I couldn't even hear it. You can go put gas in it?
Yeah.
What you put in the 100, the blue can? Oh, we just mixed some in that BP can. Blake's getting prepared. He only knows where one of these cams are, so I'm going to show him the other two that we got out there. And shop's almost done, dudes. You know, we got a lot of work. We're working on bikes in there, so we got a lot of stuff out of our way over here. The electrical's all going in. Next Tuesday, they're coming in to do the epoxy floor in here. We should have the electricity hooked up to the pole by then. They just put the meter in today, so we're trenching sometime this week if it don't rain too much. And then it's time to open her up for business. Here come Blake. Let's take the 190. Flavor. So I don't know if you can see it, boys. Up there on the tree. Right there's where they cut my fence. Getting some good footage. So we out here. New meter up. Wire.
Did I photo bomb it?
Yeah. Let's see a wheelie. Let's see you jump it through the tall grass on the jump like I do the quads. Oh yeah, it's got a high idle, huh?
Yeah. I'll do a flyby. That's fucking Nartown.
BB hard, dude.
Yeah, BB hard.
Stain my legs too bad.
Ah, dude.
Those 110 won't do this. OEM steering stem bearings, boys. Blake's doing. He likes looping this one.
Yeah, there ain't no brake.
Stay close for the looping.
Oh, the brakes are working a little?
Yeah, the brakes work a little bit. Not when you're moving though.
Yeah. Yeah, this is my favorite one to loop.
Go, bro! Killing it! Killing it! Willie Monster.
I found out where her G-spot was.
Let's see it again then.
You gotta give her a little throttle and roll into it.
Oh yeah. Now it's his favorite, guaranteed, boys. That bitch is bad, ain't it?
Damn, dude.
We need to convert it to a disc brake with the handbrake.
I know.
You want to give me a flyby?
It's hard, huh?
Flyby?
Yeah, dude, I'll do a flyby.
I'll do a flyby.
suspension.
Yeah, I know. Careful,
Oh,
bro.
God.
It's a lot funner than the old ATC 110. And a lot funner than the ATC 70. And you don't have to pump the clutch. You don't have to kick start it. None of that Bobo shit. Bink. bitch moves, dude.
Yes, he does, dude. I barely even got it in the fourth.
I know, you shifted it right before the jump. I didn't know if you knew there was a fourth or not.
I wasn't sure, but I was like, there probably is.
I'll try it.
It's CRF. I thought it.
After that.
Hell yeah. Yeah. She's out there. Oh, shit.
Sometimes, bro, you'll shift it into third or fourth, and she'll go back into second or third.
Or neutral.
The other clutch is, oh, perfect spot to loop it.
Yep, to poop it.
Oh, you can't even see the lip. So when I went to hit it, I'm like,
Yeah.
I don't really know when I'm going to get airborne. All right, dudes, get up in there, like and subscribe. Check out 4-Stroke Friday and even 2-Stroke Thursday. Video every Monday, Thursday, and Friday, guys. Get up in there. Share to your people. Should we give them a preview of the 660 and the... That's a lot of work, man.
Yeah.
Get it for pit bike guys? What do you think?
I don't think Pitbike guys would appreciate it.
I don't, but if they will, they'll tune in Friday. So,
Cha.
appreciate you, dudes. Let me tell you a little secret. If you're buying pit bikes, whether it's for you or your kid's only going to get bigger and you're going to get bored of it eventually. You're not going to keep it forever. Don't buy a new one. You know what I mean? Customize you one. Look at Blake over there. All kinds of opportunities. All kinds of opportunities to mod that 50. How about you drop in off of this cliff into the gravel?
Drop in?
Yeah, drop in. This loose gravel. Alright, here we go. Just throw it into the pool. Hell yeah, dudes. Pit bike Mondays, guys. Look at the size of this 3-wheeler compared to this one. Dadgum. That's a pit bike for you. Oh, a little sticky throttle action. Dadgoner, some bucking it. You know, I like my electric starts. What's up, guys? If this is your first time seeing a video, get up in there, man. Like and subscribe. Over 230 videos on the channel. Lots of variety as far as ATVs and dirt bikes go, you know. So, and also, I've got some better pictures. I've got some better footage. I can pull the trigger now. There's one more I'm after. So as soon as I get that one, I'll have you all a nice little home surveillance video. We're wondering about some... You got to be... My dogs go out there. My kids go out there. So, you know, I would have to use a non-lethal, more like make you shit your pants method if I catch you out there. So, thinking some snares or something. I've got their pattern down. I'm waiting on the guy. And I got a good video, guys. I found where they're coming in. I found a whole little setup out there. The whole reason I even was looking into this because I found a whole big mess by my creek where they've been doing some nefarious shit. So, I'm going to take care of it. They're on my property. I already got enough to convict them. I've already filed a trespass warning, but I'm playing it cool and waiting until I get the other one. Once I get the other one, then we'll see if he wants to play ball. First thing he's fucking doing is fixing my fence, and we'll figure out what else. Figuring out how else we handle it. Because I don't have to give it to him now. I could take it to him 3-4 weeks from now. They keep it up, but first thing they're going to do is fix my damn fence. I might have them picking up trash doing community service around this motherfucker. You understand me? So, you guys get up in there. I appreciate it. Lots more videos to come. Get up on there for 2-Stroke Thursdays and 4-Stroke Fridays, guys. We're going to do this Raptor 660 Can-Am DS 650 battle. And YFZ 450 will be done. Conclusions Thursday. So get up in, or Friday, get up in there, dudes. Appreciate it.